Dear all, I am S.N. Chakraborty discussing with you about the philosophical topics in the essay paper of UPSC Mains 2019. All four essays in section A were philosophical topics in 2019. They included 1. Wisdom finds truth. 2. Values are not what humanity is, but what humanity ought to be. 3. Best for an individual is not necessarily best for the society. And 4th, courage to accept and dedication to improve are two keys to success. I will briefly give you an idea what these essays mean and what are the way to look at them and how to analyze them. A sizable number of UPSC aspirants I found, they hesitate to write philosophical essays. They find it is a very difficult task and it is not everybody's work. It requires extraordinary skill, knowledge, everything. That is absolutely nonsense. No, actually it is not. If you write under compulsion, then definitely you will not write a very strong essay. Therefore, your score will be low. So better you practice regularly, okay, and keep perseverance, and find out a good mentor and guide who will regularly guide you how to improve upon it. Okay, the main problem lies in writing philosophical essays, understanding the topic, okay, and writing analytical, beyond 1,000 words with suitable examples and arguments. Okay. Now let us have a quick look at the 4 topics of the section A of that essay paper. First one is wisdom finds truth. Now wisdom, you all know, means the accumulated insights that one draws from experiences in life. And all experiences are unique, so therefore wisdom will be unique. And this is conditions by one individual's thought process and experience. So wisdom is therefore informal and it's contextual. Wisdom is also about virtues like empathy, compassion, kindness, emotions, feelings. Now, this is how, human goes close to the truth. And then truth, again germinates new wisdom, and they are connected in a cyclic order. And truth is never fixed. It is dynamic in nature. It is evolving. Okay? So therefore, it has to be interpreted again and again. Truth is always guided by logic, reason, and factuality. And truth is not created. It is identified. It is discovered. And it is discovered through your exercise of logic and reasoning. Like, for example, Newton discovers gravitational power. How? Because his observation, then he attributed logic and reasoning in it. So this is how people also discovered in a political field, democracy, that will be a better political system which can guarantee individual right and liberty. So you can take the essay to different fields. Second one, values are not what humanity is, but what humanity ought to be. The essay says that the values are not to be judged, okay, by the present understanding of humanity, but by its ultimate achievements. Now, humanity indicates to a society where humans enjoy fraternity, equality, freedom, liberty, justice better than previous society. So then only I will say that I have come to a better, environment of humanity. But concept of values change. Hence, the concept of humanity. Like replacement of fossil fuel by renewable energy is value of our time. And from this value point, point of view, we also see humanity in a different way. Now, injustice and humanity, these two things, cannot exist together. Okay, like for example, sati burning and gender justice cannot work together. True humanity can be achieved when the world becomes a perfect place of living for all human beings. Now, humans aim for that better society. And that is what we are targeting for, and therefore we are not satisfied what we get today. So that is the basic message of the essay. And third essay is best for an individual is not necessarily best for the society. It is not saying that it is not best for society, but necessarily not best. That means sometime it can be best and sometime it may not be best. So you all know that formation of society is a process of transformation from anarchism to a more disciplined society. For this, individual had to sacrifice their greed and selfishness to promote collective good. For example, the Zamindari Abolition Act 1956 might have harmed the property right of many of the big landlords, but it has definitely given new livelihood opportunities to landless farmers and other poor people. For example, in a war front, the individual soldiers sacrificed their lives for whom? For the national interest of a country. At times, collective interest also need to compromise with, to safeguard the individual interest. So therefore, it is not individual will safeguard, but collective will not safeguard. For example, human rights of every individual, right to dignity. Colonialism kept a large number of people across the world deprived of liberty and freedom. And that is is a violation of human rights of an individual. So that also has to be looked into. When people become desperate to fulfill individual desires, and cleavages in society, rift in society, conflict in society becomes inevitable. But when they sacrifice them, then there will be a just society. So that is how your essay will slowly move. The fourth one is courage to accept and dedication to improve are two key to success. A change, whether in a person or in a collective life, happens after several rounds of experiments. Similarly, a discovery also takes place after several rounds of success and failures. On each failure, there happens an introspection, an identification of the gaps and mistakes. It's a new learning. Human progress is never automatic. Every step towards goal, encounters challenges. Every time it renews the determination to reach the goal. Human species did not learn lightning fire in one go. The COVID-19 drug will not come so easily. It requires many experiments and many attempts. What happens when people lose capacity to accept the mistakes and do not try to improve upon them further? Repeated failures and mistakes takes place, and progress in a society is halted. Martin Luther King Jr. said it very nicely. Every step towards goal of justice requires suffering, sacrifice, and struggle. So these are the four essays. Now, once you have a fair idea about the meaning and expectation of the essays, then writing something worth, need not be a problem for any UPSC aspirant. That is what I believe. The ideas and reasoning need be always substantiated with suitable examples and citations. One can also use good quotations, analogies. Form and style of presenting your essay is absolutely your USP. It is your private domain which you will develop through practice. Keeping the problems faced by the aspirants, I have compiled a book called Essay Writing Guidebook, which is around 87 pages, where all steps of writing a good essay is narrated with examples, with illustrations, and with every details. And there are also model essays, good number of topics, and the analysis of all the essays of 2018 and 2019, and also there are a huge number of quotations. So if you require, you can also take help of that guidebook. So this is the guidebook, and you can contact me. The telephone number and email is given. And for any further inquiry, you can just contact me without any hesitations. So thank you. All the best.